with tapping, I wonder, could you share some like specific points that could be useful for someone who's like brand new?
I would like to give a few pointers on what to say for addictions here. So, do you want to tap with me? And we
Yeah,
can give like an example. Okay.
that'd be great.
First of all, we imagine how ourselves in a situation which where our object of desire is desired more than we can control, shall we say.
Okay.
So let's say last Tuesday when I was with Mary and John and we were having drinks and I had to have that third glass of wine, for example, or fourth or fifth or 16th or whatever. Then you can tap, and I'll just give you some ideas of words that you can tap for, which hit with every single substance, every single addictive behavior, everything that hits. So tap here with me and repeat after me.
Even though
I don't want to deprive myself of this.
I don't want to deprive myself of this,
I just want to feel better
I just want to feel better and move forward
in whatever way is right for me today,
in whatever way is right for me today,
even though I don't want to feel deprived of this.
even though I don't want to feel deprived of this.
Nobody likes feeling deprived.
Nobody likes feeling deprived.
I just want to move forward,
I just want to move forward,
even though I don't want to feel deprived of this.
even though I don't want to feel deprived of this.
I just want to move forward
I just want to move forward
in a way that's right for me today.
in a way that's right for me today.
And tap here with me. I don't want to feel deprived.
I don't want to feel deprived.
Don't take this away from me.
Don't take this away from me.
Nobody wants to feel deprived.
Nobody wants to feel deprived.
I don't want 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 to feel deprived.
Nobody wants to feel deprived.
Nobody wants to feel deprived.
What will I do without this?
What will I do without this?
I just want to feel better.
I just want to feel better.
Very good. I'll give you two other examples that kind of hits with people a lot. And it's basically about what this does for me. It's what the substance or the behavior does for me. Okay. And it's very popular with various treatments to be told, oh, this doesn't do anything for me. It's really bad. It's so unhealthy. It's destructive behavior. It's self-sabotage. No, nobody engages in an addiction because of self-sabotage. Nobody engages in addiction because they hate themselves. They engage in addiction because there is a little bit of self-love there and they want to give themselves comfort.
Mhm.
One reason that I get for engaging in something we shouldn't engage in is it makes me calm or it makes me feel confident. So just like deprivation, we can tap on, even though I need to feel calm, and this does it for me, and I don't know how to do it without that. Shall we do that?
Yeah.
Okay. Even though
Even though
this makes me feel calm,
this makes me feel calm,
I just want to move forward
I just want to move forward
in whatever way is right for me today.
in whatever way is right for me today.
Even though this makes me feel calm,
Even though this makes me feel calm,
I just want to feel better
I just want to feel better
and move forward.
and move forward.
Even though I need this to make me feel better,
Even though I need this to make me feel better,
I accept that I need this
I accept that I need this,
and I'm willing to consider
and I'm willing to consider
that if I can feel calm
that if I can feel calm
without
without this,
by working on the underlying reasons,
by working on the underlying reasons,
then I won't need this anymore.
then I won't need this anymore. In the meantime,
I give myself compassion.
I give myself compassion.
Very good. And tap here with me. I just want to feel calm.
I just want to feel calm.
And tap here with me. It makes me feel calm.
It makes me feel calm.
I'd like to feel calm.
I'd like to feel calm.
It makes me feel calm.
It makes me feel calm.
It relaxes me.
It relaxes me.
It takes away worries and nervousness.
It takes away worries and nervousness.
It makes me feel calm.
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 And have a rest. So that's one example. Calm. Confidence is another example that I'm often given.
Can I share my experience?
Please,
Yeah,
I'd
that
love
was
to
the
hear.
first time I've ever did anything like that. So I'd love to share. I hopefully those who are listening or watching just did that along with us. But that did make me feel very calm. It's very interesting how that tapping, because I have suffered so much anxiety, there's something about that sort of takes away that anxiety. It like pulls that energy, brings it here, which is interesting. That was very good, cool. It feels really good. I can see how that's very beneficial. And
Yeah.
it almost seems like you're coming to a middle ground. Like you're acknowledging, like, okay, yes,
Yes.
it's here. You're not demonizing it, but you're
Hmm.
also acknowledging that I'd also like to do better. I
Yeah.
think it's a really beautiful approach.
Yeah.
Thank you for sharing that with
Thank
us.
you.
Yeah, that was
Thank you.
yeah, those are perfect words that people who are struggling with addictive
Mm.
behaviors, addiction, trauma,
Yeah.
any of that. That's really powerful, those words.
Yeah. Absolutely.
Thank you.